actually, not just Guru has these enlightening qualities. Me, student, has this quality, And actually, student is Buddha, me also Buddha, because by nature, what we call, there's no difference between the Buddha nature of the Guru and the student and everybody. So, actually, me, teacher is Buddha, student also Buddha, right now, right here. But we have not discovered that. Then slowly we say, actually all beings has this wonderful nature. Everybody has this Buddha nature. So that means everybody is Buddha by nature. So when we come to that, then we finish the practice of pure perception. Everybody is Buddha by nature. So that's become the Guru Yoga. So when we imagine Guru Yoga in front, it is what we call relative Guru Yoga. And then we understand you and all beings has this enlightened quality, and that is what we call the absolute Guru Yoga.